Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi Naik, and along with some best loved chefs, we've put together a range of recipes which are tasty, healthy and absolutely delicious for every single school day. Today we're making Delhi Chaat. Now this recipe is full of flavor and fun. Whenever I make this for my daughter's lunchbox, it never comes back. So come along and let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So to begin with, I'm going to turn the burner on and add 1 tablespoon of oil to this. And I've got diced potatoes here. These have been boiled. This is a mix of sweet and regular potatoes. It's a fairly straightforward recipe. I'm going to now just toss this in the pan, and once that's done, I'm going to keep it aside. So it's toasted nicely and you can just put it back in the bowl, because now I'm going to make the masala for this. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of oil, and now in this, half a teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, about half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. In goes just a pinch of hing. Again, green chilies are optional, but a 1/4 teaspoon should go in quite well. I'm going to add in some ginger. I've taken a cup of tomatoes. I'm going to put in half of that, and just a little bit of the onions as well. So you want this to cook well, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. And now that the tomatoes have cooked well, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Kissan tomato ketchup. This is perfect for giving it that right flavor and amount of sweetness to the chaat. And that's it. The masala is done, and all I have to do is now just assemble the chaat. So I put in the potatoes. I'm going to add in some black chickpeas. Now this is extremely nutritious and very high in fiber and protein. I have the tomatoes which go in, the onions that have been chopped fine. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. In goes in the masala. I have here 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which I'm going to add to this. Give it a nice toss. Now I'm going to take some baked papri and just crush it and add it to this. I have a 1/4 cup of save, which I'm going to just sprinkle over this, and about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves. So let's pack the tiffin box now. This is a whole meal in itself. It's got all the right things in it. And we're going to pack some raisins. And we've got some kiwi fruit that's going to go into the lunchbox. So here we have our Delhi Chaat all ready. I hope you've liked this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more of these. I'll be back to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.